The Siser Romeo cutter is ready to cut your regular projects and more thanks to its 24-inch cutting width. But what if you're interested in leaping into custom signage? Fortunately, the Romeo is capable of cutting multicolor signage as long as you have adhesive vinyl, such as Siser's own EasyPSV. We'll be covering how simple it is to create your very own large sign with sheets of Siser EasyPSV through their versatile Romeo cutter. And if you've used Siser's Juliet cutter before, using the Romeo will truly be as simple as that machine. First, be sure to keep the dimensions of your blank sign in mind as you prepare your design in Leonardo Design Studio. You can either measure the width and height of your sign by ruler, or refer to the dimensions given by the sign's provider. Before inputting it on Leonardo, however, click Send Design and click on Siser Juliet Cutter under the Machine section to select the Romeo. Going back to the Design section, open the Artboard cutting mat settings, select Material Roll, and then input your sign's size under media width and media length. If your sign happens to be dark, you can check Dark BG for reference as you prepare your design. Now you may create a simple design through Leonardo itself or import a multicolor SVG file with cut only, and then scale it to within the artboard. In doing either, be sure to limit the design's colors to your available colors of adhesive vinyl in mind. Then as soon as your design is ready to go, you may click Send Design and leave the Send Cut Only artwork options as is to continue. On the Romeo cutter, load a sheet or roll of adhesive vinyl that matches the layer's color. And for EasyPSV, set its cut settings with the speed at 10 and force to 6. Be sure to also adjust the blade depth on the holder prior to where the 45-degree blade is sticking out to the thickness of your adhesive vinyl. As always, be sure to run a test cut first to verify your settings and fine-tune if needed. Assuming your test cut has succeeded, you may return back to Leonardo to be sure that mirror has been disabled, enable auto weed box if desired, then click Send to Cutter to cut your vinyl. You may then continue cutting each layer with your adhesive vinyl sheets or rolls with the same settings. With all your layers cut, weed each one out to then lift out with application tape. The best one to use for EasyPSV is none other than its own application tape, which dons grid lines to help make aligning your layers together much easier. With each layer now on application tape, you may begin applying them onto your blank sign. To help with alignment, it's best to apply the largest layer first, to then gradually apply the smallest one last. Be sure to squeegee each layer well, then peel their tape from a corner at a low angle. After applying the final layer, you've now created a large custom sign thanks to your Siser Romeo cutter and adhesive vinyl. To learn more about Siser cutters and materials, you can visit our YouTube channel or visit our website at heatpressnation.com.